For this lesson, it's best to provide children with real coins, their own penny, dime, nickel, and quarter for this investigation. Today we're going to investigate different kinds of coins. Mathematicians use their superpowers of observation, so let's begin today's lesson with a question. What do you notice? And so children might provide some examples like the color of the coins or the size of the coins, and this is really great. And many children, especially if they're kindergartners, might not know the names of these coins yet. And at this point, I would say, let's begin by naming some of the coins. This coin has a special name. It's called penny, and penny is bronze colored. So let's go ahead, and can you pick up your penny and hold it up? This coin has a special name. It's called nickel. It's bigger than the dime and smaller than the quarter. Nickel also has smooth edges. Can you find nickel and hold it up? So this is a really great activity for sorting, but if you want to begin counting coins, and if students already know the value of coins, moving to level 4 would be a great way to begin counting by ones. So let's count pennies together. Pennies have a value of 1. Let's count 1. Let's count together. 1, 2. You might have a couple students come up and volunteer to demonstrate for their classmates. You can play level 5 for nickels, and so on for dimes and quarters, counting by 5s and 10s. This concludes our sample whole group lesson on coins. As a follow-up activity, ask children to collect coins at home and bring them into school. You can sort them. They can create their own jars with labels or the values of the coins. And at the end of the week, divide the class into groups. Each group can count the number of coins and values. Reconvene, and each group can share what they counted. As a class, brainstorm different ways to count all the coins together and facilitate and record the group thinking. Decide which strategy is the most efficient. Do you want to count pennies first? Do you want to sort the coins? You know, they may come up with strategies that you haven't even thought of before, and that's fantastic. Just go with it. All right, thank you for watching.